Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let us solve one more problem on non-exact differential equations using integrating factor method 3. So let us just revise what is integrating method factor 3. So this method to find an integrating factor of mdx plus ndy is if the equation mdx plus ndy is equal to 0 is of the form y into f of xy dy dx plus x into g of xy dy is equal to 0, then and second condition is mx minus ny is not equal to 0, then 1 by mx minus ny is an integrating factor of mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. So let us solve the problem. X square y square plus xy plus 1 into y dx plus x square y square minus xy plus 1 into x dy is equal to 0. Let us call this as equation 1. So equation 1 is of the form mdx plus ndy is equal to 0, isn't it? Where m is equal to x square y square plus xy plus 1 into y, which is nothing but opening the brackets x square y cube plus xy square plus y, and n is equal to x square y square minus xy plus 1 into x. So opening the brackets, this is x cube y square minus x square y plus x. Now dou m by dou y. So partial derivative of m with respect to y is, so this is x square into derivative of y cube with respect to y is 3y square. So 3x square y square plus derivative of y square is 2y. So this is 2xy plus derivative of y with respect to y is 1, and dou n by dou x is equal to derivative of x cube is 3x square and this is y square minus derivative of x square is 2x. So this is 2xy plus derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So this implies dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. So what does it implies? This implies that equation 1 is not exact. Equation 1 is not exact. But equation 1 is of the form y into f of xy dx plus x into g of xy dy is equal to 0. So, but equation 1 is of the form y into f of xy dx plus x into g of xy dy is equal to 0, and mx minus ny is equal to, what is m? X square y cube plus xy square plus y. So x square y cube plus xy square plus y into x minus n is x cube y square minus x square y plus x into y. So opening the brackets, this is x cube y cube plus x square y square plus xy minus x cube y cube minus of minus plus x square y square plus xy. X cube y cube and minus x cube y cube gets cancelled out, and x square y square plus x square y square is 2x square y square, and so this is minus actually. Plus into minus is minus, right? Minus xy. So plus xy and minus xy gets cancelled out. So what remains? 2x square y square, which is not equal to 0. So both the conditions are satisfied. It is of this form. Y f of xy dx is plus x g of xy dy is equal to 0, and mx minus ny not equal to 0. Therefore, 1 by mx minus ny is an integrating factor. Therefore, integrating factor is equal to 1 by mx minus ny is equal to 1 by 2x square y square. So, multiplying equation 1 with integrating factor. Multiplying equation 1 with 1 by 2x square y square, we have so equation 1 is this one, right? So this divided by, we have to write divided by 2x square y square plus this divided by 2x square y square, it will be when we multiply with 1 by 2x square y square. So we will get x square y square plus xy plus 1 into y divided by 2x square y square dx plus x square y square minus xy plus 1 into x divided by 2x square y square dy is equal to 0. So here 1y gets cancelled out, here 1x gets cancelled out. So this implies x square y square plus xy plus 1 divided by 2x square y dx plus x square y square minus xy plus 1 divided by 2x y square dy is equal to 0. So this implies, now opening the brackets and dividing each term by 2x square by, here it will be x square y square by 2x square y plus xy by 2x square y plus 1 by 2x square y dx plus x square y square by 2xy square minus xy by 2xy square plus 1 by 2xy square dy is equal to 0. So here x square gets cancelled, 1y gets cancelled. So this here the y gets cancelled out, 1x and 1x gets cancelled out. So what remains? 1 by 2x. Oh, y is in the numerator, right? So y by 2 plus, in the numerator it is 1, right? It is 1 divided by 2x plus 1 by 2x square y dx plus 1x gets cancelled out, y square gets cancelled out. It will be x by 2 minus gets cancelled out, 1y gets cancelled out. So it is minus 1 by 2y plus 1 by 2xy square dy is equal to 0. So let us call this as equation 2. So equation 2 is of the form m1 dx plus n1 dy is equal to 0, where m1 is equal to y by 2 plus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2x square y, and n1 is equal to x by 2 minus 1 by 2y plus 1 by 2xy square. Now let us find out dou m1 by dou y and dou n1 by dou x. So this implies dou m1 by dou y is equal to, derivative of y with respect to y is 1, so this is 1 by 2 plus no y term here, so it is 0, plus 1 by 2x square. Derivative of 1 by y is minus 1 by y square, and dou n1 by dou x is equal to, derivative of x with respect to x is 1, so this is 1 by 2. Here no x, so therefore this is minus 0, plus 1 by 2y square into derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So this implies dou m1 by dou y is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2x square y square, and dou n1 by dou x is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2x square y square. So this implies dou m1 by dou y is equal to dou n1 by dou x. This implies equation 2 is exact. Therefore, general solution is given by integral m1 dx, where y is constant, plus integral terms free of x in n1 dy is equal to constant of integration c. So this implies integral m1 is y by 2 plus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2x square y dx, where y is constant, plus integral terms independent of x in n1. So in n1 this term is having x and this term is also having x. So the term that is independent of x is minus 1 by 2y. So this is minus 1 by 2y dy is equal to c. This implies y by 2 integral dx is x plus 1 by 2 log modulus x plus 1 by 2y integral of x to the power of minus 2 dx it is x to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 log mod y is equal to c. So this implies xy by 2 plus 1 by 2 log mod x. This minus 2 plus 1 is minus. So this is minus 1 by 2. X to the power of minus 2 plus 1 is 1 by x. So this is minus 2 minus 1 by 2xy minus 1 by 2 log mod y is equal to c. So this implies we can take 2 common one and take it to the other side. It will be 2c. So 2c is nothing but a constant, so we can write it as c. So this is nothing but xy plus log mod x minus 1 by xy minus log mod y is equal to c. So this implies xy minus, I am writing this term here, 1 by xy. Log mod x minus log mod y is log mod xy y minus, sorry, it is plus, right? Plus log mod x by y is equal to c is the general solution.